PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair is a premier commercial HVAC repair business in Reading, Pennsylvania, providing clients with quality service and products. Our skilled experts are trained to service a wide range of HVAC system repair, including furnaces, air conditioners, heat pumps and air handlers. We are fully licensed, insured and bonded. We provide cheap rates and fast dependable service. Contact our commercial HVAC repair experts today and get a free estimate. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC repair expert near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What are HVAC service repairs? Construction, installation and maintenance of heating, cooling and ventilation systems and equipment are included in HVAC services. What is the finest HVAC system for a commercial building? One indoor unit is connected to one outside unit in a single split system. It is the most common form of commercial HVAC system due to its lower cost and suitability for smaller business buildings. Single split systems are ideal for buildings with several tiny rooms. What is your service area for the reading office? Our commercial HVAC repair have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Reading, Leesport, Garfield, Burnville, North Heidelberg, Brownsville, Robisonia, Wernersville, Moncton, Temple, Laureldale, Penside, Rifton, Shillington, Baumstown, Birdsboro, Scarlett's Mill, Plowville, Reinholds, and Swartsville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Reading, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC repair office located? We are located at 400 Washington Street, number 109, Reading, Pennsylvania 19601. Our phone number is 610-672-3044. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Washington-ST-Reading-HVAC-Service.